Hello, children. Good morning. Hope you all are safe and in a good health. So now again I have came with the next chapter, that is lesson 7 of your EVS subject, staying healthy. Okay. So now here we have to see, to keep our body healthy we have to follow certain rules. Okay, to maintain it. Likewise, nowadays you might be knowing that this pandemic is going on, that is about the coronavirus. So how you will keep yourself protected? Like, you have to increase your immunity system, you have to maintain social distancing, you have to wear mask. So in that way, if you will do all this, if you will take all these precautions, then you can overcome the coronavirus. So here we will learn now that how to keep ourselves healthy, staying healthy. Here written, I take good care of my body. I keep it clean to stay healthy. I wear clean clothes and stay tidy. So all of you must be following your good habits, isn't it? Your parents are taking care about that. So here it is written, I take good care of my body. So if you will take good care of your body, then you will keep your body protected from the germs. They won't stick to your body. Likewise, you have to take proper bath. You have to clean your body with a soap. I keep it clean to stay healthy. I wear clean clothes and stay tidy. So to keep our body clean, we have to also wear clean clothes. If we will wear dirty clothes, then we all will face with several diseases. Skin problems will be there, itching will be there, and many more problems will also occur. Okay, so if you will keep your body clean, then nothing, no germs, no diseases can take place. I do the following things to stay healthy. So here some healthy habits have been written, that how you can keep your body clean. I get up early in the morning. So early to bed, early to rise. You might be knowing that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So if you will go early to bed, that is at 9 o'clock in the night, at night, then you can wake up also early in the morning. If you will go late, then you will wake up late. So it will be good if you will go early to bed, then only you can get up early in the morning. Getting up early in the morning helps us to take in fresh air, which is good to keep our lungs healthy. So if you will get up early, then in the morning you will get the fresh air. You might be knowing your grandparents, your parents, they are going outing in the early in the morning, isn't it? Going for morning walk. They are going walking in the fields or in the parks or in the roads. Why? No, because in the early morning you will get the fresh air. That where from you will get the fresh air? Now from the plants. So plants provide us oxygen, which is the pure gas that humans need it. Helps us to take in fresh air, which is good to keep our lungs healthy. So if you will take fresh air, then you can keep your lungs healthy. So inside your body there is your lungs. I exercise regularly to keep my body strong and healthy. So not only walking, exercise also is needed for our body. If we will do exercise, then we can keep our body strong and healthy. Not only you will sit inside your home, only watch TV, play with your computer, toys, using mobiles, laptop, that those things are not at all good. If you will do the exercise, if you will jump, if you will run, if you will walk, then you can energize your body. Okay, then only it will help you to keep your body strong. I brush my teeth twice a day to keep my teeth germ free and healthy. So it is advised that in a day you have to brush your teeth twice. That is one in the morning before taking your breakfast, and at night before going to bed. So if you will brush your teeth, then the germs won't stuck in your teeth. It will get removed and it can't damage your teeth. So it is good if you will brush your teeth twice a day. It also keeps our breath fresh. So if you will not brush your teeth, then all the foul smell or bad smell will come out from your mouth. If while talking with people, while talking with other, they will feel that foul smell, and they will say, see this boy or this girl, they are not at all brushing the teeth, so bad smell are coming out. So always remember to brush your teeth properly, and you have to brush it twice a day. I take care of my sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, as my sense organs play very important roles in my life. So you all know that you all are having your 5 sense organs are there, isn't it? So one is your eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. That is all I have mentioned earlier in the earlier chapter. So you might be knowing about the function of these parts. So these parts also play an important role. That means with the help of these parts you can function many things. Like your eyes, it helps you to see. Your ears, it helps you to hear. Nose, you smell. Tongue, you feel the taste. And skin, you feel the sense, that is touch. Okay. Then come, I take a bath every day and wipe myself dry to keep my body parts clean and away from diseases. So bathing is also necessary. If you will say, no, I won't take bath, I am feeling cold, or I don't want to take it, I don't want to have, you are watching TV and you don't want to get up and take the bath. So don't do like that. Bathing is also important. That will help you to keep the germs away from your body. And after having a bath, always wipe it dry. Don't keep wet. Don't keep your body wet. Or properly you wipe it out and make it dry. So, and away from diseases. So cleanliness will help you to stay away from diseases. Okay. Then turn to the next page. Here written, I oil and comb my hair daily to stay tidy. Another one thing is that you have to comb your hair properly. If you won't comb your hair, then if you won't wash also, if you won't comb also, then what will happen? No, germs will be there, and you will have your dandruffs will be there, itching will be there, then that lice will be there. Okay, and it will create many problems. So always wash your hair properly. Then you also have to put oil. If you will not put oil, then your hairs won't get its food. So oil is the main food for the hair, and you have to comb it properly. If you will not comb, then you will face difficulties to comb your hair. Tangles will be there. Okay, so always properly oil your hair and then comb it. Then come, I wear clean clothes to keep the germs away and look good. So you have to wear clean clothes, not the dirty clothes. Some children are there, they will wear the dirty clothes, they will go out for playing, they will fall down, they will play with sand, dust, and they will rub it on their clothes, and it will make them dirty. So don't wear, those germs will be there on your dress, your shirt, your frock. So always wear a clean clothes to keep away from germs. And clean clothes will also make you look good, beautiful and smart also. Then comes, I keep my nails trimmed and clean to avoid dirt and germs. So your nails, you have to keep it clean, you have to trim it. That means you have to cut your nails. Don't allow your nails to grow longer. Okay, if you will make it longer, then all the germs will get inside the nails, and that with that germs only, that dirt, when you will have your food, it will enter into your stomach and you will have stomach problems, stomach pain will be there. So always trim your nails and keep it clean so that you can avoid the dirt and germs. I eat healthy foods such as green vegetables. Here it is not visible. Fruits, milk and milk products to keep my body fit. I think so. It has been written fit or strong, whatever. This picture is not clear. I don't have a book, so that's why I'm facing problem also. Okay, you just take your book. I eat healthy food such as green vegetables. So green vegetables, it is important for your body. Fruits are important. Milk as well as your milk products. So milk is a complete food. Don't say that I won't like green vegetables, I don't want to eat fruits or milk. No, you should never ignore all those products, because these things are very much important in your body, for your body, to keep it healthy. You will say I don't like, I will only have chow meins, rolls, fast food. Those are very harmful for your body. Every time consuming those things, those are very bad for your health. Okay, so you take it, but in a limited manner. You take these things also, and that things you take it little more less. Okay, not often. Don't take it frequent, don't take it every time, you don't take it. Then come, I drink plenty of fresh water daily to keep myself fit. Water is an important thing that our body needs. So every time drink plenty of water. It is most essential. Okay. I wash my hands often to keep them clean, and also wash before and after every meal. So whenever you are consuming any food, immediately before consuming it, you wash your hands. Then after that you have your food, and after having your meal you also wash it properly. So before taking your food you have to wash it, and after also you have to wash. So before taking, if you will wash, then the germs will get away from your fingers or hand that are being stuck. I take 8 to 10 hours of sound sleep daily for a healthy mind. So sleep is also important. Okay, so daily you have to take 8 to 10 hours of sleep. It is necessary for all human beings. So if you will sleep properly, then only your mind will be healthy. You will get a cool mind. You can relax your brain also. Then turn to next page. So this is the end of the chapter. Let's see what has been written here. More to know. Our body is made up of an average of 60% water. See, in our body we have 60% of water is there. Eating green vegetables helps our body to take in sufficient oxygen. So if you will eat green vegetable, then sufficient amount of oxygen you can get from the vegetables only. Okay, that is required for our body. Eating fresh fruits gives strength to our body. So strength, if you will take fresh fruits, then you will get strength. You can walk, you can play, you can jump, whatever things you like to do, you can do if you will have a strong and healthy body. Then comes getting up. Now I know. Getting up early in the morning. This one I am not reading. You just have a look and read it. All those things that have been given in chapter has been briefly mentioned here. Okay. So now come, let's do the exercise. Number A, what has been given? Complete the names of the items that we use to keep ourselves clean. So what are the items that we need to keep ourselves clean? You have to do it. Pictures have been given. You have to fill in the blank spaces. So number 1 is your soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. Then 2 is your, next one is your toothbrush. T-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H. Toothbrush. Then turn to your page. Comb. C-O-M-B. Next, nail cutter. N-A-I-L-C-U-T-T-E-R. Nail cutter. Okay. Then comes bit number B. Which of these are good or bad for you? So which things are good and bad for you? You have to write in the blanks that has been given. If they are good, then you have to write good. If bad, then you have to write bad. Number 1 is getting up late every morning. So it is very bad habit. So you will write there bad. Keeping yourself neat and clean. It is good. Oh, you will write good. Brushing your teeth twice daily. Good. So daily you have to brush your teeth twice. Let your nails grow long. Number 4. It's very bad. So you will write bad. Eating fresh fruits. Good. Then number C we won't do. Come to the question answer portion that has been given in your book. Number 1 question, that is, how can we keep our teeth clean? So what can we do to keep our teeth clean? You have to write in the book. Okay. We can keep our teeth clean by brushing it twice a day. So how can you keep it clean? Now by brushing it twice a day. Next, why should we keep our body clean? We should keep our body clean to keep away from germs and diseases. 3. What keeps our mind healthy? Good sleep keeps our mind healthy. Why should we drink plenty of water? We should drink plenty of water to keep our body fit. So I am showing you the answer properly again. You see it properly and write it neatly and in a good handwriting in your book. Okay. So this is the end of the chapter. Okay. Thank you, children.